Hi, to enable and disable Dolby Atmos on the Samsung Galaxy A34, you would need to open Settings, and here just go in this Sounds and Vibration tab. Now scroll a bit and you will see Sound Quality and Effects, and now you can see Dolby Atmos. So you can enable it by tapping on the switcher to hear the sounds that flows above and around you. Here you can also go in its settings and switch from the auto to the movie, for example, music or voice. Now you can also enable Dolby Atmos for gaming to get realistic Dolby Atmos sound automatically when you play games, like that. And here you can also enable this adapt sound and tap it and also change its settings. So we have three options and this option to add personalized sound profile. In the equalizer, you can also adjust some of the settings, so you can switch from the normal to classic or pop, and here you can see how it changes. You can also customize your own equalizer by dragging those letters up or down like that. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.